Welcome back everyone. In this video, we're going to build this accordion component from scratch. We'll make it transition between open and closed state. The component will be completely customizable. You can put anything as the trigger or the children. And everything will be just React and Tailwind CSS. So let's start building it. Let me quickly set up the component. It will need the children, current value, an on-chain handler, and the rest of the props. Pass these props to the list. Children are the accordion items we'll create in a minute. First, create a state for the selected accordion item so we can know which one should be opened. Fire the onChange handler whenever the selection changes. And to communicate this state to the items, we'll need a context. Wrap the children with the context provider. All that done, let's move to the accordion item. It'll take the content as children, a unique ID or value for this item, the trigger and the rest of the props. Access the context values. It's open when the selected value is the same as its value. Each item will appear separated with a bottom border. The trigger will go inside a header and a chevron down icon at the end. It should behave like a button to toggle the open and close state on click. When you click an already opened accordion, it should be closed, which also means selected is null and no other accordion is open. For its styles, make it flex row, justify space between the trigger and chevron icons, center them vertically, and some padding. Now for its actual content. Make it overflow y hidden since we don't want the content to overflow when its height is 0. So when opened, set the height to 100%, otherwise 0. If we didn't need the open and close transitions, we'll be basically done here. Now let's see how it's done so far. You can restrict its maximum width if you don't want it to span the whole width. Let me put together a few dummy accordions. So it's working as expected. All that's left is that transition. First, the chevron should be rotated upwards. Next is the content height. Since we cannot transition to height 100%, we need its exact height. For that, we'll need a reference for the content to get its offset height. And apply transition all. And that should be it. I think the padding here needs some adjustments. You can leave it transparent or provide a background color. So there it is, your own custom accordion component completely built from scratch. Leave a like if you found this helpful.